Irresistible Coffee Lovers Dessert Recipe. Hey, coffee lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the realm of desserts with a special treat tailored just for you. A coffee lover's dessert that combines the rich flavors of coffee and chocolate into one decadent delight. Ingredients: 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of strong brewed coffee, 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1/4 cup of crushed chocolate cookies, whipped cream and chocolate shavings for garnish. Instructions. First, we'll whip up our coffee-infused cream. In a mixing bowl, combine the heavy cream, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and our star ingredient, strong brewed coffee. Once our coffee cream is ready, let's move on to the chocolate ganache. In a saucepan, melt the chocolate chips and butter over low heat, stirring continuously until smooth and glossy. Now, let's assemble our coffee lover's dessert. Take your crushed chocolate cookies and sprinkle them over the chocolate ganache layer, creating a crunchy base. Next, we'll add a generous dollop of our whipped coffee cream on top, creating a luscious and creamy layer that's infused with the bold flavor of coffee. And there you have it, our irresistible coffee lover's dessert is ready to be enjoyed. Whether you're treating yourself after a long day or impressing guests at your next dinner party, this dessert is sure to satisfy your sweet cravings with its perfect balance of coffee and chocolate flavors. Absolutely divine. Don't forget to give this recipe a try and let us know how it turns out in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking, coffee lovers. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.